Hello friends, I am Rajinder Jatana on this side, coming up with derivatives of Ncert book exercise 5.4. I am giving you solution of each question. Question number 1. Find dy by dx if y is equal to e raised to power x over sin x. Now the solution is like this. Here y is equal to e raised to power x over sin x. It is of the shape u by v. It means there is a quotient rule has to be applied. And we know that ddx of y is v ddx of u minus u ddx of v over v square. This is the formula, quotient rule formula. Now substitute the values of u and v. U is your e raised to power x and v is sin x. So it is v sin x. U is e raised to power x. U is e raised to power x. V is sin x. V is sin x. It is v square sin square x. So the result comes like this. Sin x ddx of e raised to power x is e raised to power x minus e raised to power x ddx of sin x is cos x. Now take e raised to power x common, it becomes sin x minus cos x over sin square x. This is the answer. Very simple. Hardly in 2 minutes. So find dy by dx. This is question number 3. If y is equal to e raised to power sin inverse x, so let us take derivative of both sides, ddx of y and ddx of e raised to power sin inverse x. Now, ddx of e raised to power anything is the same. E raised to power sin inverse x ka derivatives e raised to power sin inverse x. But it is not x. So, if instead of x there is something else, then we have to find its derivative also. And derivative of sin inverse x is 1 over under root 1 minus x square. So, the answer comes e raised to power sin inverse x into 1 over under root 1 minus x square. Let us go to question number 2. Question number 2 is find dy by dx if y is equal to e raised to power x cube. Y is equal to e raised to power x cube. Solution is here y is equal to e raised to power x cube. Let us take derivative of both sides. ddx of y is equal to ddx of e raised to power x cube. So e raised to power कुछ भी power हो as it is into ddx of the power. Here the power is x cube and its derivative is 3x square. So the answer comes e raised to power x cube 3x square. Very easy. Now question number 4. We have to find dy by dx if y is equal to sine within the bracket tan inverse e raised to power minus x. Now look here, let us take the derivative of both sides. So ddx of y is equal to ddx of sine within the bracket tan inverse within the bracket e raised to power minus x. These are 3 functions. We will have to take derivative 3 times. Now look here how to take the derivative. Derivative of sin x is cos x. So derivative of ये फर्स्ट आउटसाइड ये बैठा हुआ है, आउटसाइड फंक्शन का पहले लीजिए साइन का डेरिवेटिव कॉस एक्स, जो भी अंदर बैठा है बैठा रहने तो. सो हेयर इट शुड बी tan इनवर्स विद इन द ब्रैकेट शुड बी tan इनवर्स ई रेस्ट फॉर एक्स. फिर अपने को tan इनवर्स ई रेस्ट फॉर एक्स का भी डेरिवेटिव लेना है. सो नो tan इनवर्स का होता है 1 over 1 plus x square. इट इज़ नॉट x. सो e raised to power minus x का स्क्वायर. फिर डेरिवेटिव ऑफ e raised to power minus x is e raised to power minus x into minus 1. So this is the answer. Here in place of x it should be tan inverse e raised to power minus x. So we have to correct this. We have to correct this. Now look here, it should be sin का डेरिवेटिव cos, जो भी अंदर बैठा है बैठा रहने दो. दैट इज tan इनवर्स e raised power minus x. E raised power minus x. We have to put this. So in place of x, we have to put this. Tan inverse e raised power minus x. Now let us go further. We have done 4 questions. Now let us go to question number 5. It is question number 5. So find dy by dx. If y is equal to log of cos e raised power x, solution is, now the solution is, first of all, whenever you have to find the derivative of log of something, you have to say log fire 1 over fire 1 over cos e raised power x. अंदर चलो cos x का डेरिवेटिव माइनस साइन जो भी अंदर बैठा है बैठा रहने दो. फिर चलो अंदर e raised power x है, उसका डेरिवेटिव e raised power x. So the answer comes minus, this is the minus 1 over cos x sin e raised power x into e raised power x. So sin over cos is tangent. So answer will be minus tangent e raised power x into e raised power x. This is the question number 5. Question number 6 is this. Find dy by dx. If y is equal to e raised power x plus e raised power x square and so on up to e raised power x5. We have to find its derivative. Now here y is e raised power x plus e raised power x square, e raised power x cube, e raised power x4, e raised power x5. एक एक करके डेरिवेटिव लेंगे. Firstly, let us take the derivative of e raised power x. It is e raised power x. What is derivative of e raised power x square? It is e raised power x square. But it is not e raised power x. Instead of x, it is x square. इसका भी डेरिवेटिव आपको लेना है 2x. Now derivative of e raised power x cube as it is. लेकिन ये x नहीं है तो x cube है. इसका डेरिवेटिव 3x square लेना है. ddx of e raised power anything that is x4 here same. फिर x4 का डेरिवेटिव 4x cube. ddx of e raised power x5, it is e raised power x5, and we have to say this should be 5x square. This should be 5x square. It is e raised power x5. Look here, it is e raised power x5. Now it should be e raised power x5, x4. It is e raised power x5. There it should be 5x4. Let us go to question number 7. It is y is equal to under root e raised to power under root x. Solution is, here y is under root e raised to power under root x. Take ddx of both sides. ddx of y is equal to ddx of under root e raised to power under root x. अंडर रूट का डेरिवेटिव 1 ओवर 2 अंडर रूट जो भी अंदर बैठा है बैठा रहने दो. चलो अंदर ddx ऑफ e raised power under root x. e raised power something, anything is same, e raised power root x. But it is not x, so take the derivative of root x. It will be 1 over 2 root x. It will be 1 over 2 root x. So the answer comes 1 over 2 under root e raised to power root x into e raised to power root x into 1 over 2 root x. Now let us go to question number 8. Y is equal to log of log x. X is greater than 1. It has to be positive. Now y is equal to log of log x. So take ddx of both sides. So ddx of y is equal to ddx of log x. सबसे पहले ये वाला log है. आपने बोलना है log fire 1 over fire. So it will be 1 over log x. चलो अंदर log x का डेरिवेटिव 1 over x. So the answer comes 1 over x log x. That's all. This is very, very easy. And you only need to remember the formula and the trick of finding the derivative of logarithmic function. So whenever you have to find the derivative of log of anything, that is, call it log fire 1 over fire. 1 को आग लग जाएगी. Thank you. Thank you very much. Keep on watching my videos and I'm sure you are understanding them and definitely will come out with flying colors. Good day. Bye. Keep on watching my videos and subscribe it and share it with your friends. Thank you.